Good morning. You are up early today.
Good morning. Yes, I woke up before my alarm.
Did you sleep well last night?
I slept perfectly. I feel very rested.
That is good. Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, my stomach is completely empty.
Let's make a big breakfast this morning.
That sounds like a wonderful idea.
What do you want to eat for breakfast?
I am craving some eggs and toast.
Eggs and toast is a classic morning meal.
How do you want your eggs cooked today?
I would like scrambled eggs, please.
Scrambled eggs are very fast to make.
I can make the toast while you cook the eggs.
Deal. We can work together in the kitchen.
Do we have any fresh bread?
Yes, there's a loaf of white bread on the counter.
I prefer whole wheat bread for my toast.
Let me check the pantry for whole wheat bread.
I see it right there next to the cereal boxes.
Good eyes. I will grab it for you.
How many slices of toast do you want?
I will take 2 slices, please.
And 2 slices for me makes 4 in total.
Put them in the toaster and press the button down.
Do you like your toast lightly browned or dark?
I like my toast very crispy and dark.
I will set the toaster dial to number 4.
Okay, I'm going to get the eggs from the fridge.
How many eggs should we cook?
Let's use 4 eggs for the 2 of us.
Should we add a little milk to the eggs?
Yes, milk makes scrambled eggs very fluffy.
Can you hand me a glass bowl and a fork?
Here's a bowl. I will crack the eggs into it.
You cracked them perfectly without any shells.
Now I will pour a splash of cold milk.
I will beat the eggs with the fork.
Beat them until the yolks and whites are mixed well.
The egg mixture is a beautiful yellow color now.
Do you want to add some salt and pepper?
Yes, just a small pinch of salt and black pepper.
I will turn on the stove and heat the frying pan.
Should we use butter or cooking oil for the eggs?
Butter gives the eggs a much richer flavor.
Okay, I'll cut a small piece of butter.
Put the butter in the pan and let it melt.
The butter is melting and bubbling very quickly.
Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan now.
The eggs are starting to cook around the edges.
Use a spatula to gently push the eggs to the center.
Cooking scrambled eggs is very easy.
Yes, but you have to watch them closely.
If you cook them too long, they get dry.
Exactly. I like my eggs soft and slightly wet.
I think they are almost done.
Turn off the heat. The hot pan will finish cooking them.
The toaster just popped up. The bread is ready.
The timing is absolutely perfect.
The toast is golden brown and very hot.
Do you want to put butter or jam on your toast?
I like strawberry jam on my toast.
I prefer just plain butter on mine.
Here is a knife. You can spread the butter first.
The butter melts instantly on the hot bread.
I'm putting a thick layer of jam on my slices.
Do we have any bacon in the refrigerator?
Let me look. Yes, there's half a packet of bacon.
Do you want to cook some bacon too?
No, I think eggs and toast are enough for today.
We can save the bacon for Sunday morning.
Sunday breakfasts are always bigger and better.
Are you going to make coffee this morning?
Yes, I cannot start my day without a cup of coffee.
Please make a pot of strong black coffee.
I'm filling the coffee maker with fresh water.
Do we have enough coffee beans left?
Yes, I bought a new bag of dark roast yesterday.
Dark roast coffee smells amazing when it brews.
I will push the start button on the machine now.
It will take about 5 minutes to brew.
Do you want some fresh fruit with your breakfast?
Fruit is a very healthy addition to our meal.
We have some bananas, apples, and oranges.
Let's peel an orange and share it.
I will cut the orange into small wedges.
Oranges have a lot of vitamin C.
They are very juicy and sweet this time of year.
I love eating fresh fruit in the morning.
Sometimes I eat a bowl of oatmeal with berries.
Oatmeal is very filling and warm on a cold day.
Yes, it gives you energy for the whole morning.
I usually eat a bowl of cold cereal during the week.
Cereal is fast when you're rushing to work.
I just pour milk over cornflakes and eat quickly.
Breakfast on the weekends is much more relaxing.
Yes, we don't have to look at the clock.
The coffee machine is beeping. The coffee is ready.
Can you pour 2 cups of coffee, please?
Yes, do you want sugar in your coffee today?
No sugar, just a little bit of cold milk.
I will drink my coffee completely black today.
Let's take everything to the dining table.
I will carry the plates with the eggs and toast.
You bring the coffee cups in the orange slices.
Please grab 2 forks and 2 napkins.
I have everything. Let's sit down and eat.
This breakfast looks absolutely delicious.
The scrambled eggs look very soft and fluffy.
Let's taste them. Be careful, they're hot.
The eggs are cooked perfectly.
The butter makes them taste very rich.
And the toast is nice and crispy.
The sweet strawberry jam balances the salty eggs.
This is exactly what I needed this morning.
The coffee is also very strong and hot.
It wakes me up immediately.
What are your plans for the rest of the day?
I have to do some laundry and clean the living room.
I need to go to the supermarket later.
We need to buy more eggs and milk.
I will add them to my shopping list.
Do we need any more bread or butter?
We have enough bread, but we're low on butter.
Okay, put butter on the list too.
I also want to buy some yogurt for tomorrow's breakfast.
Plain yogurt or fruit-flavored yogurt?
I like plain yogurt with a little bit of honey.
That is a very healthy and light breakfast.
It's good for your digestion, too.
Do you ever drink smoothies in the morning?
Sometimes I blend spinach, banana, and apple juice.
Green smoothies look strange, but they taste good.
They're a great way to eat more vegetables.
I prefer drinking plain orange juice.
Do you buy juice with pulp or no pulp?
I like my orange juice with a lot of pulp.
I hate pulp. I like my juice completely smooth.
We have very different tastes in drinks.
That is true, but we both love coffee.
Coffee is the most important part of the morning.
My cup is already half empty.
You drink your coffee very fast.
I'm just very thirsty today.
Would you like me to pour you a second cup?
Yes, please. Just half a cup is fine.
Here you go. The pot is still very hot.
Thank you. You are a great breakfast partner.
Cooking together makes the food taste better.
I am almost finished with my eggs.
I have 1 piece of toast left.
Take an orange wedge before they are all gone.
The orange is very sweet and refreshing.
It cleans the palate after a savory meal.
Breakfast is definitely my favorite meal of the day.
It sets the mood for the entire day.
If I skip breakfast, I get a headache by noon.
Your brain needs fuel to work properly.
Exactly. Food is fuel for the body.
Well, my plate is completely clean.
Mine too. Not a single crumb left.
I am very full and very satisfied.
Should we clean the kitchen now?
Let's just put the dishes in the sink for now.
Okay, we can wash them after we relax a bit.
I'm going to sit on the sofa and read the news.
You take your time. The morning is still young.
It was a very successful breakfast.
Yes, it was. Thank you for helping me cook.
We make a great team in the kitchen.
We will do it again tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow is Pancake Sunday.
I can't wait for pancakes.
Enjoy your reading on the sofa.